Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Citi Autopay and payment reminders, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin subscribing with Citi Autopay, log in to your Citi online account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section on your dashboard. Select the Autopay option from the menu. You will see a prompt to set up your Autopay preferences. Choose the account you wish to use for Autopay. Enter your payment amount. Select the payment frequency that suits you best, such as monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly. Next, choose your payment due date. Make sure to review your selected options to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, follow the prompts to finalize your Autopay setup. After setting up Autopay, you can also enable payment reminders. Return to the Payments section of your account. Look for the Payment Reminders option. Select it to customize your payment reminders. Choose how you'd like to receive reminders, such as via email or text message. Set the timing for your reminders based on your preference. Review your reminder settings and confirm them. Your Autopay and payment reminders are now set up successfully. Keep an eye on your account for any notifications regarding payments. Managing your finances will be easier with these options in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.